ربي صل على الحبيب محمد خير الوجود المصطفى نور الهدى يا ربي صل على الحبيب.
May take you a little bit to a point. Why do we celebrate the birth of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Is there benefit? Because now in the human standards, what's in it for you? Is there benefit for you? Yes. Why? In Bukhari, a kafir benefited from being happy for the birth of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So imagine you. Here's the Bukhari. Al-Bukhari mentions that when a Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, Abu Lahab, the one who's a big ayah, yani big in its meaning, was revealed. Tabbat yada Abi Lahabin wa tab. Abu Lahab, when the Prophet ﷺ was born, his slave Thuwayba is her name. Thuwayba came running to Abu Lahab, telling him, "Oh master, I have good news for you." He says, "What are the good news?" She told him that your brother Abdullah's wife just delivered a baby boy and your father called him Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Abu Lahab was so happy to hear that his brother's wife delivered a baby. He looked at his slave Thuwayba and told her, "Go, you are free." Abu Lahab happy for that moment, short moment of the birth of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Al-Bukhari mentions in his Sahih, and the hadith is authentic, that Abu Lahab, the one who an ayah was revealed in, that he will be everlasting in Jahannam, but yet every Monday, the day of the birth of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was Monday, every Monday Abu Lahab will have a break from the torture, will have an ease from the torture and the torment in Jahannam, simply because he was happy that moment for the birth of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In the deep depth of Jahannam, 70,000 years down in the bottom of Jahannam, Abu Lahab will have an easement, will have a break from all the punishment for the crimes he committed because of the being happy for the birth of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ibn Nasr Din Dimashqi says this. He says, "إذا كان هذا كافرا جاء ذمه وتبت يداه في الجحيم مخلدا أتى أنه في كل اثنين يخفف عنه للسرور بأحمدا فما الظن بالعبد الذي طوال عمره بأحمد مسرورا ومات موحدا." Dear brothers and sisters, Islam is not simply rituals without a soul. The soul of our Islam is mahabba. The soul of the Islam is mahabba. You do your fara'id with mahabba. Fara'id with no mahabba, is your iman complete? No. Am I talking about from my own pocket? No. Open up Bukhari Muslim. Open up Muslim. See what Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Umar goes to say, "Ya Rasulullah, I love you." Some people say, yeah, if we ask ourselves, do we love Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam? Everybody says, yes, of course we love him. Really? Okay. Should we test it or should we not go there?
يا ربي صل على الحبيب